Hello and welcome to Quiet Dignity and Grace. Like, hate, share, scribe, comment if you need to. Links for things where you find the linky stuff. I'm recording this on December 13th. I saw a video about this a week ago, and bad things happened. Really bad things happened. I had already seen the video. It got me inspired. Maybe try to help some people. Make an emergency Sterno using insulation, copper pennies. I'll explain that. 3 cans, isopropyl alcohol, and a scribe and punch. Yeah, let's rock. I got my information secondhand, so to speak. It has to be, this is a 1981. It's a 1981. That's a 1982. Anything later than 82 won't work because it's mostly zinc. There's a little copper, but it works better with straight copper. I don't know why. I don't know the science. That's what I was told. Not to be the bearer of bad news, but in an emergency situation, you're going to find mostly 2x whatevers. 2x4, 2x2, 1-2s. That's what you're going to wind up finding the most of. Nail or screw. You just need to draw a line all the way around 2 cans. Do 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 do. Do do do. There we go. Okay, now we count to 21. Make sure the first 5 are smaller than your penny. So, just for myself, only a half-ass target area. North, south, and all points west. And the center one, just a bit bigger. So I was told. Oh, those are all the same size, bigger. Not much. There we go. All right. Same thing. North, south, east, west. Fill in those blanks. Fill in those blanks. So 16 on the perimeter, 5 in the middle. There we go. Not entirely pretty, but it'll serve the purpose. 16 on the rim, 5 in the center. Yeah, I can fix that. Be very, very careful if you're doing this. Ironically enough, these are the penny cutters. That's how they were advertised. They can cut a penny. There we go. Let me smush this around a bit. And cut the other one down to its line. Shouldn't be too much. All right. Here you go. Bye-bye. Okay, the other one that got scored. Work your way to it. Stay on that line, damn it. Nice. Pretty nice. Needles on the for the base. Going back over these just to even them up. Don't eat so damn much. Oh, a little high on that side. Yep, I see it. Cool. Close as I'm going to get it. Yeah, be very careful with that. That shit'll sink right into you. Aluminum. And because it's aluminum, it's harder to clean up. You can't just zap it with a magnet. Just a quick aside. I got one or two of these. They're just a little too, there's one, a little too big. So come in from the inside. In from the inside. Pinch him down just a little. Tighten that vent. Look good. Look good. Look good. All right. Huh. Yeah, be very careful. Be very careful. Now, fingernail on there. What I need to do is crimp. Put a bunch of baffles in this. Crimp it over. But don't go too deep. So for that, reuse the tape, set a depth gauge, rock and roll. Okay, so I tore the fucking thing. All right. I still got him. I just got to do it gentler. Yep, that's no good. All right, try it again. That's fine. I still need that piece anyway. We're good. Yep, we're good. Yep. Won't bore you with the details. Follow that down, match it to him. Yay. I got it crimped up 10, 12 times, something like that. Finger itches. Yeah. Then make a wick for it. the wick for it. About that much. That a little much. Just standard, right out of your attic, little chunk. Wad your happy ass in there. That's too much. So I need it to fit together. I don't need it spongy in there so it pops itself apart. Then we got problems. Look good, look good. Alright. Slip him right down over. All the way down. That's why they had to be the same size, because then you have to crimp this in. All right. Yeah, a little bit of a split there. Sounds good to me. Snapped into place. Hell with it. Yeah. And crimp it down. Best bet's a piece of wood. No banging, no clanging. Best of all, you don't risk slicing your damn finger open. Oh, that's another little thing. Right there you go. There it is. Make sure it all clacks together. Then crimp her down. There we go. That level? Nope. There it is. There we go. Yeah, it's shredding the freaking wood. Trying to press it in. That down and tight. Awesome. Awesome. Cool. Fill it. Test it out. I grabbed another board just in case I spill. Fill it in the center. Let the wick soak it up. It'd take a while. Get it to breathe in there. There it goes. See, I spilled. That's why I grabbed the board. Didn't look right. Yeah, I guess it is. Take a minute. Cool, got it to stabilize. May have to redirect one or two of the jets. Yeah, I think I can. Kind of like just like on your stove. Just like on your kitchen stove. Clean them out once in a while. But yeah. Hot cup of coffee go a long way for people. It's supposed to be a bit more blue than that. But then again, the one demonstration I saw, he was using a bottle of heat. You know, the fuel additive for your car? Yeah, this is isopropylene, 91. Nice. I just got to fiddle with the jets. Snuffer. That's a butt ton of heat too. Hopefully it'll settle down, but no. Can of soup? Yeah, hell yeah. That'll warm your coffee right up. Awesome. Apparently. Yeah, you gotta light the whole fucking thing. That's what he means by prime it. That's how you light it. Then it calms down. Okay. Calm the fuck down over there. Okay, now I get it. Yeah, still work. Eat your soup, heat your coffee. Just don't burn down your damn garage. I thought it might help some people out, especially the stuff that happened in the South Central East. See, calmed right down. Stayed a little flame. So you do have to overflow it, light it on a surface that you're allowed to. Yeah. Awesome. Quiet, dignity, and grace. Like, hate, share, scribe, comment if you need to. Links for things, where you find the linky stuff.